Hi, and welcome to Brooklyn Public Library's video tutorial on lynda.com for entrepreneurs and small business owners. If you're watching this tutorial, you found lynda.com on Brooklyn Public Library's Learning Resources page. From the library's homepage, bklynlibrary.org, select Learn, and then select Learning Resources. Here you'll find an alphabetical listing of all the library's electronic resources. There are several ways to search for the resource you're looking for, including via the Subject tab at the top of the screen. Select a topic like Business and Career. Since we're looking for lynda.com, I'm going to type Lynda in the search box and click Search. It's very important to access lynda.com through the library's Learning Resources page. If you go directly to the URL lynda.com, you will be prompted to pay for the resource. The library pays for Lynda so that you don't have to. Here you'll find a description of the database and instructions on how to access lynda.com from your mobile device. Note this How to Access box. This will tell you if you are able to access a resource remotely or if you must be in the library. In this case, lynda.com may be accessed remotely with your library card. Go ahead and click on Visit this resource. You will be prompted to enter your library card number and PIN. The first time you access lynda.com, you will also be asked to enter your email address and create a username. Lynda.com is an online learning platform, a collection of short videos and long video courses. There are many reasons you may wish to use lynda.com. It is especially useful for anyone interested in updating their technology skills. There are video courses on audio and music software, like GarageBand and Pro Tools. There are video courses on business software, like Excel and Word, and design software, like Photoshop, and many more. Today, we're going to concentrate on the online learning for entrepreneurs and small business owners. There are a few different ways to search lynda.com, like conducting a keyword search. I'm going to search for courses on learning how to use the accounting software QuickBooks. And I'm selecting QuickBooks Pro 2018 Essential Training. Notice a few things on this page. This course is 4 hours and 6 minutes long. It's defined as being for beginners. Here's the author of the course, or the instructor, and if you click on her name, you'll get a biography. This course was released on February 23rd, 2018. Also notice on the left that this is a table of contents of the video course, where you can go directly to a particular section and watch only a snippet of the course.
My name is Jess Stratton, and welcome to QuickBooks Pro 2018.
Notice that as the video plays, a transcript will display at the bottom of the screen. There are other tabs. An overview of the course is here. You can also view offline so you can download the course and watch when you don't have a Wi-Fi connection. Here you'll find exercise files where you can download course materials and exercises to help you understand the content presented. You can change the layout of the video. You can also add this to a playlist of courses that you might wish to watch later. If you'd like to find your playlist later, click at this menu, HiLynda.com. Here you'll find the playlist that you create, and you'll also find certificates for the courses you have completed. What other types of videos can be found on Lynda for the business person? Let's hover over Library and then on Business. You'll see topics like business skills, management, social media marketing. You'll see other software videos like on Google Ads or Google Analytics. And here's another way to get to business software like QuickBooks. There's also a guide to starting a business, and I'd like to show you the learning path for starting a small business. A learning path is a collection of video courses Here's Become a Small Business Owner, and this learning path happens to be 15 hours long. Here you'll find a list of courses recommended of 15 hours if you wish to start a small business. You'll find courses like creating a business plan, setting up your small business as a legal entity, and raising startup capital. Give Lynda.com a try, watch some videos, and if you have additional questions, please visit or call Brooklyn Public Library's Business and Career Center for additional help. Thanks for watching.